sounds stupid. Hear that blow-off valve? Oh, that's a custom-made little unit. Hey, I gotta tell you guys, for Christmas, I think I might be getting a GoPro. So, I can't get the mounted, I don't want my neighbors to see me talking to myself. I can't get the, a mounted camera yet, because I'm pretty sure I am getting... Somebody buy that freaking Drift S14 from me. Come on, do you live in Texas? It just needs a motor, transmission, all set up for an RB25. Got the wire harness, got everything. Well, hey, let me show you before my phone runs out of memory and shuts off automatically. Show you this custom blow-off valve. This is a Philip Smith exclusive. I'm trying to get a whistle sound. I'm just kind of playing around. But look, I used the hose end fitting off of a for the Gretty RZ is what I have. A water sprinkler that has been heated up, molded to a marine super loud whistle, and then holes drilled so that it won't whistle so much and kind of bypass, bent to clear the hood. That's I don't know, I'm just playing around, but how did that sound? That's the question.